Yeah, it's just on dark now. Just on dusk, as they say. Still some lightning happening over there, and it's the same storm that went through this area. I have to say, Jake and Nathan, you boys are to be congratulated. Jacob's 11. Saturday, 11th of February 2017 is definitely a day that will go down in the history books of weather. 46.9 degrees in Penrith, 40 degrees in Orange, 42 degrees in Canberra. And then at the end of the day, just the most spectacular looking storms. Quite a lot of lightning. Definitely some heavy rain in narrow strips. And yeah, just stunning, amazing. An amazing prediction. You boys, you've done well. Wetterling and Breeze. Impressed. I am very impressed. So it's Jake's birthday in 6 days from now. That's Friday the 17th. And tomorrow, the 12th, they're forecasting catastrophic fire dangers across about a quarter to a third of New South Wales. Crazy times.